Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to access your memories on Snapchat web. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So to access your memories on Snapchat web, the best method is to first navigate to the profile. So simply tap on the profile called profile.snapchat.com on your desktop browser and sign in with your username and password. Once logged in, you can simply explore your memories and perform various actions like viewing, editing, and sending snaps through your web browser. So you can simply explore memories on the web version of Snapchat. You can simply access your memories to view, edit, and interact with saved snaps by tapping on the memories section. So you can even send snaps from your memories to friends, add them to your story, or even export them to your camera roll. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. Thank you for watching.